I would like to ask you, what are the top 3 highlights of facilitative workplaces?
Okay. I think that's a very powerful question because a lot of times people get confused in terms of how it would work at a corporate place. But if you see, I think the three highlights, if I have to highlight, the first thing is inclusion, second is participation, and third is ownership. Now when I say inclusion, it is the way you go about conducting a session, or the way you go about driving a particular initiative. It is extremely important that you have buy-in from the people of that particular group or that particular team. And when we use facilitation methods, we involve they come up with solutions, they come up with action plans, and that is the inclusion which really helps. That is the participation which we encourage through facilitation. And as a result of this, if I have defined something, if I have given a suggestion to do something, naturally I end up taking more ownership about it. So I think the accountability that gets created through facilitation is really powerful. And as I said, I experienced that earlier in my this vision exercise. In fact, we had one more exercise wherein we had a project of cost saving. We involved the purchase team. We did idea generation workshop. We came up with various cost saving measures. They implemented it and they really achieved that. And that is something which makes us feel that yes, facilitation drives ownership at workplace. So I think that is the highlight for me from facilitative workplace.
Thank you very much. What is one message that you would like to give to our viewers now that we are all mostly in the virtual workplaces?
Absolutely. A lot of times, when this Corona thing happened, earlier the belief was okay, only facilitation can happen only when we are in person. But now I'm so happy to share that this year, whatever sessions we are doing, we are all doing it virtually. Through Zoom, through Teams, through Skype, and all of that, and it has really helped us to reach out to people across boundaries. So earlier there was restriction, okay, we will have to do it within Pune because of travel and all. Now we are reaching out to people in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, and everywhere. So my honest request, anybody who wants to experience facilitation, either online, virtual, or in person, reach out to us, and we would be more than happy to help you, support you, and give you that powerful experience which will help you to make a great workplace at your own place. Thank you so much, Archana.
Thank you. Thank you. So we are virtual but not distant. In our hearts, we are still connected.
Absolutely.
Please feel free to reach out to us at ifpunehub@gmail.com, and we will give you that experience in the FAC week. Stay tuned.